Well, hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. And guess what? I have an exciting October design team package that I cannot wait to show you. This is really cute. I'm super excited about this. Gingerbread is one of my favorite things, and my kitchen is decked out in gingerbread for Christmas, and I got the beautiful Gingerbread Village collection to play with. I am just so happy with this. So this again is the Gingerbread Village paper collection from Country Craft Creations, and it's gorgeous. And I received 12 by 12 pack and an 8 by 8 pack. So I've got plenty of paper to work with, and I've got even more to show you. So I'm super happy with this, and I hope you are too. I will have links down below for all of these products that I'm showing you today. And then with those links is a referral link so that I get a little bit of a credit if you purchase some of these papers. So if you do, I appreciate it immensely, but those links are down below to all of the products I'm going to show you here at Country Craft Creations. And let's get started. Let me show you what I got. So first off, I'll go through the ribbons here real quick. I got 2 yards of some really exquisite ribbon. So first off, I got this 3/8 inch reversible satin ribbon that is champagne and gold. It's super beautiful. Love that. I just had that in my last design team package, and it's so pretty. And then I got this beautiful 3/8 inch gingerbread buffalo plaid. Isn't that cute? Love that. The next thing I got is this crinkle ribbon. You guys, I love this crinkle ribbon. It is so pretty, and this is in taupe, and it's just gorgeous, and it's like an iridescent, and it is crinkly, and it's super pretty, and it's soft. It's so soft, and it makes amazing bows. I gotta tell you, they're amazing. The next thing that I did get in the realm of ribbons and fibers is 2 yards of this green jute twine, and I really like using that. That's a really great decoration piece. As far as embellishments go, I also received these Spellbinders taupe self-adhesive like flat back pearls. They're absolutely gorgeous. There's 120 of them in here in 3 different, let's see, was it 4 different sizes. So I've got a lot of these to play with as well. So I'm really happy about that. That goes perfect with the paper, don't you think? I think it's gorgeous. And then again, I got the 8 by 8 pack, and I got the 12 by 12 pack. So I'm going to show you the 12 by 12 pack. The 8 by 8 again is just it's the same paper, it's just in a smaller little version. So Gingerbread Village, is this not gorgeous or what? The beautiful brown and green tones in this, I really like it. So let's go through the papers. So you get 2 sheets of these cut aparts that you can fussy cut out, these embellishment pieces, ephemera pieces, if you will, that we can use. And I just think they're beautiful. I love the little gingerbread people. Aren't they cute? And look at the bowl full of them. Just adorable. So you get 2 sheets of that, and then on the back, it's plain. So that'll be nice if you decide to use those. Because they're so big, I was thinking, because they're so big, you could actually tuck these into pockets and stuff, and then just, cut them out as is, tuck them in a pocket, and then you could journal on the back of this. So wouldn't that be fun to do? Have a little cutesy gingerbread guy sticking out of a pocket or something, and then you could journal on the back of him. I just think that's kind of a great idea. You also get 2 sheets of the 4 by 6 cut aparts. These are super adorable as well. And the couple walking in the winter wonderland, and the fire. Look at the detail on the fire. Gosh, can you see that? It is so pretty. Love it. On the back these are white as well on the back. So again, lots of journaling space, or you could put a photo behind. So that's good. So then you get 7 different pattern papers, and these all have large, beautiful, gorgeous images on them. Isn't that pretty? It almost makes me want it to snow. Isn't that funny? Look at how pretty that is. That is a gorgeous floral right there. Just really super beautiful. 3 of those. You get 3 of these larger pictures with the couple in the winter wonderland doing their Christmas shopping. And then on the back of that, some gingerbread cookies. So yeah, I'm thinking a lot of things here. I'm thinking beautiful Christmas album. I'm thinking recipe album. because that's how I do. This is just too pretty with gingerbread houses here. Love that. And that plaid. Look at that. Ooh, that is funky. And I don't know if you can see, but these lines here, these little black lines, are actually words. There's some words in there, and it looks like a little bit of stitching and stuff. That is really cool. I like how that turned out. That is really neat. Look at this paper with the music. And look at that sweet little reindeer. Adorable. And then on the back of that, we've got a bunch more gingerbread people. So cute. These guys look like they're kicking up their legs like they're dancing. Like, ta-da! Getting weird. I'm tired. It's Friday when I'm doing this, and I am tired. It's been a long week. Oh, and look at the two little kitty cats sitting on the chair by the fire. How sweet is this? You guys, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I just don't know. There's so many things that I could do with this. Look at the pop of blue in here. I like that. This paper is gorgeous. I cannot wait to start playing with it. The sofa with the gingerbread pillow. So pretty. So pretty. And last but not least, we have another market. Winter market. I love this. So beautiful. And look at the trees. So pretty. The back of that, another beautiful floral with bows. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So you get all of those papers. Then what I received, let's show you these first. These are the coordinated cardstock that comes with this collection. So this is the Gingerbread Village coordinating solids, and you get 6 pieces of the 12 by 12 papers with this in the coordinating colors. So you've got these colors on the front, and then you have these colors on the back. So you have lots and lots and lots of choices to do. Isn't that nice? So let me turn a couple of these over so we can see all of the colors. Look how beautiful those colors are. And they match this collection, you know, absolutely perfectly, of course. And then I also received 2 sheets of 12 by 12 heavyweight chipboard. So then I also received, which is really awesome, I love this craft tonic paper, and this is the pearlescent card in coffee cream. So that's going to look gorgeous with this paper collection. So this is, again, Gingerbread Village. All right. And I did receive the 12 by 12 and the 8 by 8 pack. But wait, there's more. I got to show you something else. All right, y'all. I got Happy Honk-oween. Is this not hilarious? Oh my gosh. This is so funny. So this is a new collection by Country Craft Creations. It's a Goosey Halloween collection. Absolutely too cute for words. Look at that cute little goose there with the little witch outfit. Is that not sweet? It's just super sweet. I love that. So this collection, I'm going to show you this real quick. And I honestly haven't looked at it yet, so I'm super excited. There's a bonus pattern on the back of your cover sheet. So that is an awesome addition, having that there. Then you get, let's see, 2 sheets here of these cute little cut-aparts with all of these cute little goose people. Oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. Let me see if I can get it up here so you can see it. We've got some little labels here, some tabs, we got some little banners. How cute is that? On the back is this beautiful pattern here, like a marbleized pattern, or watercolor, I should say. We have some journaling cards, so you got 2 of these. Look how cute this is. It's honking adorable. Oh my gosh, I think this is too fun. It's adorable. And you know, it is still October, so I still can play with this. Oh, look at this. 3 little sheets, excuse me. 3 sheets of tags. Look how adorable those are. Got a little scarecrow goose, a little witch goose. Look at the little doggy tied up with all the Halloween lights. That's funny. That's so cute. The back of that is this cute little pink plaid. We've got 3 of these with our little goose witches. And then on the back of that, they're flying with their brooms. It is that time, right? It is that time. Here are the little trick-or-treaters with the pumpkin houses. And then we've got candy here. This is cute. I love that. Oh my gosh. You guys, I should frame that one and just leave it. That is beautiful with a little cat. Scaredy cat. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I love it. I love this. Oh, that's pretty too. That's a really cool Halloween pattern right there with all the colors. And then, oh, yes, 3 sheets of this with the wall of the family portraits. Love it. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. Look at that. Oh, hey, look at that. Frames to put your own family photos in this Halloween album. Very cute. All right, let's see. This page here, that's a beautiful, beautiful. I like that tree. All the bright colors in there. Look at that, so sweet. Oh, and little 4x4s in the back. Oh, I love it. Little Halloween houses. Ooh, look at this floral. Isn't that pretty? With the candy corns. And there's spider webs. Can you see spider webs? Nice. Very nice. Love this. That's a beautiful green. And the last but not least, Honk If You Dare. Bootiful Goose. Gaggle Giggles. Love it. So cute. And you got to have some spider webs, right? Okay, so those are the collections I received. I got Happy Honk-oween in 8x8. I got Gingerbread Village in 8x8. And I also received, along with all the other goodies, the 12x12 Gingerbread Village with, you know, dots and twine and the beautiful ribbons. Oh my gosh, I love those ribbons. They're so pretty. And they're going to match all of this so well. So yeah, I am excited about this. And so anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Go run to Country Craft Creations. Links are down below for all of these products. You can go get those. And I will see you again soon because I will have a project for you out of these beautiful papers. And they're all brand new for 2025. We just got them in and I am super excited about playing with them. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay crafty and I will see you again soon. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.